So we're just going to take a little butter, and I just like to put it in my eggy pan. I use this Kerrygold pure Irish butter, and that should be enough. I'm just going to use the rest of the butter in the tortilla pan, crack our egg. Beautiful. H-E-B makes a great wheat flour tortilla, which is very nutritious. So I always like to give my black beans a good rinse before I use them. These I've gotten from H-E-B. Also, they're the Central Market brand, so they're really delicious, the organic black beans. And then I'm going to sprinkle the black beans on first. I try to keep everything in the center just because then it doesn't flow too far out. And you can kind of mash it down a little bit. Oops. And then here's where I like to use a little of the everyday seasoning. We're using arugula and spinach today. And a little bit of arugula for a nice peppery kick. I'll put a little more seasoning on the greens. And cover that for a little bit. And I don't always add tomatoes, but you can add them, and I just think it adds a nice layer of extra flavor. And now I'm going to add a couple slices of tomato on top. You can do this before, but it's nice to kind of keep it fresh. And then we're going to plate it. So what we like to do at this point is add some salsa, and Gigi's favorite salsa is this Bruegel salsa, which is delicious, and she's local here in Texas. And also we have Russell's favorite homemade salsa, which is kind of my favorite, but these are all good choices, and you can either add it or not, up to you. Top and enjoy.